Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to install and run Project64. Some people have asked how to get this running. There's some problems with the program's not saving or not running as a whole, so hopefully I can help get this going. So first thing that we're going to want to do is, if you haven't already, download Project64. I put a link to the description, or in the description in the bottom, for Project64 Portable. This is just a basic Project64 program. The Project64 that you get off the website, unfortunately, is loaded with malware now. So this is just the basic Project64 program. So if you don't have a RAR extracting file, make sure you have that as well. You can just Google up 7-zip, WinRAR, or WinZip. Basically, that just is a program that allows you to open up a compressed file. So in my case, I'm running 7-zip. I just think that it runs pretty smooth. So let's go ahead and open this up. So we have it downloaded. You can either go to right click, go to 7-zip, and then open archive, or just double click on it if you have it already set up. In 7-zip or any WinRAR or WinZip program, it's going to look like this. So you can see Project 2.2 Portable. Let's go ahead and open it up, and it comes up with the basic program files here. So we want to extract this onto our hard drive. So for purposes today, I'm just going to right click. I'm going to go to New and create a folder, and Project 64 2.2. Alright, so I'm just going to head and open this new file open and open these things up. You can either go to extract and then select your Project64 file that you just created, or just click and drag. As you can see, it's transferring everything over. Alright, so there we have it. Project64 now on the hard drive. So now that we have this over here, these are the files that we need. But in order for it to run appropriately from here on, so we can change anything from textures to sounds to inputs, new plugins, everything that I'll show you in later videos, we need to run this as an administrator. Otherwise you won't be able to do that. Now this is the big thing that people forget or don't realize that you need to do. So even if you have administrative privileges, it doesn't matter. You still need to right click on the executable file, Project64, and go down to Properties. Now go to Compatibility and the Properties and click on Run this program as an administrator, and then go to Apply and OK. If we don't do that, we'll only be able to open up the program. We won't be able to change anything. Alright, so here we have it. I don't believe you'll be able to see this, but it comes up with user account control. Click yes. That's just part of Windows 7 security. You can't get past that. So first time we're running it, I'm running in English. Just go to OK. Now, as you can see, we don't have anything here. It's just the program. Now, I've already downloaded ROMs. So what you can do is find these somewhere. I already have ROMs on my computer, my ROMs. I have them under my own documents. As you can see, a file right here, N64 games. So we want to be able to set this as a directory to open it up. Since we're running this as an administrator, you can go to Choose ROM Directory and find your file on where your ROMs are saved. So for me, it's under my user, and then N64 games. That's where I have it saved, and boom, it comes up with this. So every time that I open up Project64, it'll come up with this list. Now it'll come up with status, any notes that you need to know. So basically, is it a running ROM, or is it have some issues, or is it broken? So for instance, like Off-Road Challenge, there's some issues. Same thing with Star Wars Rogue Squadron, as well as Vigilante 8s. But for most, all of them work. So let's go ahead and give this a go and see if it works. Let's run some GoldenEye and see what we have. Boom, there we have it. Starting up and running smooth. Alright, so there you have it. That's running. So if this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, just go ahead and give the video a like or subscribe. I'll show you in other videos how to set up controllers as well as add different plugins in case if you're having some graphic issues or if the program just isn't running like you feel it should. Also do this for other emulators such as Nintendo, Super Nintendo, Genesis, Saturn, PlayStation, the arcade, and other programs. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just go ahead and drop a comment and I'll answer them as best as possible.